How to convert a CSV or Excel file to QBO format and import into QuickBooks. Introducing CSV2QBO, a free trial is available. We will use a sample CSV file with debit and credit transactions. The CSV file has date, amount, payee, memo, check number. In most cases, you just need to click the Convert button. You still have to review transactions to see how the converter understood your file, and you have all controls to convert your file successfully. The left sidebar has input file settings, expected date format if it is obvious to the parser. Use change +- button once per file to revert the sign of amounts. Expenses must be negative, payments to the account must be positive. On the right sidebar, we have account type, which is important to set for QuickBooks. Enter the account number. If you are importing for one account, you can leave the default value. Important, inch-bit value, default 3000, Wells Fargo. You can look up your bank or leave the default value. Now we switch to QuickBooks. Before we import a QBO file, check the chart of accounts. The account you need to import into does not have the yellow strike icon, because if you have the icon, it means the account is online linked to direct download. You need to disconnect first to import a QBO file. To disconnect, click Edit Account, then Bank Settings, and then Deactivate. Check there is no yellow icon after the change. To import a QBO file, go File, Utilities, Import, Web Connect File. Then select a QBO file. Then select an existing account, and click Continue. Now the data is imported. This data is under Bank Feeds. Imported statements show up here, and Review Transactions. You have to select the payee from your QuickBooks vendor records. When you choose a vendor record, for the payee from the QBO file, QuickBooks will remember your choice for next QBO import. Then you mark all transactions, select expense accounts, select payee and approve, and that's. The Rename Rule Creation dialog will show up after be used for the next time. Thank you for watching.